because there is something called as the vision versus the reality. And that spectrum is still pretty broad. And I had to make certain decisions in life, right? For example, if you are going to you're going to get married, you're going to have a kid, and then you're going to take a break, you come back to the corporate life, things change. A mother is still the nurturer and is expected to do certain responsibilities, and that's because you took us back home, so I'm going to talk about back home. In US, it's pretty common to have a house husband. Indra Nooyi has a husband who takes care of the kids. He's never worked. Indra Nooyi used to work, and her husband used to take care of the kids, and he's been open about it. But in our social construct, it's still not something that is acceptable. So if you see, there's a huge dropout. And I'll give you the statistics. At 23, you join an organization after an MBA. And at 27, 28, once you get married, you have your kid, there's a big dropout there that happens. That's where the challenge comes in when the corporate ladders get filled in by the next in line. And the next in line happens to be the man, right? That's pretty much it, right? So what Shalini is talking about is extremely common. And it's there in US as well, but you'll see a lot of the Indians going to US, that's the construct. Because they go as a dependent on H-1B, they don't end up getting a job and things change significantly. But there are a lot of changes that is happening. I have a lot of my colleagues and seniors who are here from Harvard who came in today. Their daughters and their kids have changed that construct. They're now taking the ownership. No, I'm going to either take over from my father, run the business, or start something, and I'm not going to stop, right? If I will build, I'll get a co-founder who can support me when I'm going into my maternity leave. So I think a few things needs to be seen differently. Being a mother is a power. It is not a curse. Having children is responsibility of both. There has to be equity in the household, only then there can be equity in the corporate ladder.
I think